Why do newer washing machines and dishwashers take so long to clean? The answer is because of Sinner's circle. And no, this isn't religious. Dr. Herbert Sinner was a chemical engineer and the head of detergent development at the Henkel Company, which has been in business since 1876 and currently produces the laundry products All, Snuggle, Persil, and Purex, among many, many other products. Dr. Sinner's research led to his discovery of the 4 factors essential for effective cleaning, and to his development of Sinner's circle in 1959. The 4 factors that must be present for cleaning to be effective are time, temperature, chemical action, and mechanical action. Sinner's circle is a visual demonstration of how these 4 factors affect one another. If one factor is decreased, another factor must be increased in order to compensate. Otherwise, whatever you're cleaning won't get fully clean. For example, when hand washing dishes, the 4 factors required to clean them are water, the act of physically scrubbing them clean, dish soap, and the time it takes to clean them. By comparison, dishwashers use pressurized water for the mechanical action rather than physically scrubbing them by hand. Because pressurized water is gentler than hand scrubbing, dishwashers use hotter water than hand washing, and use dishwasher detergent rather than dish soap, which has more powerful cleaning agents. Newer dishwashers also use lower water temperatures to conserve energy. To compensate for the decreased temperature, these dishwashers run for longer, because heating elements to heat the water use a lot more electricity than running the motor for longer. But if time is of the essence and the increased cost and environmental impact don't concern you, many newer dishwashers also include cycles that allow you to use hotter temperatures and shorter cycle times too. And although they're different appliances, the same concept applies to washing machines and to cleaning literally anything. Thanks, Dr. Sinner.